One of the biggest hidden risks in any company is unauthorized software or unauthorized websites that are visited or unauthorized actions on the computer, but most importantly, unauthorized software. Employees sometimes install apps that are not approved, chat tools, file sharing programs, or even risky downloads. What is a risky download, for example? Because now some of you might think, well, you can unallow the download of executables or something like that. You are protected then. Well, there are some also danger. CSV files, for example, are a danger. Why? Could be a danger, I might say. Because most often in Windows systems, CSV files are opened with Excel. And you could compromise a CSV file by, it is a text format where it is a comma separated, but you could, in between the commas, you could put in Excel functions, for example, yeah? And that would allow, for example, to execute code. Now you might say, yeah, you have to set your Excel security settings correctly. Yeah, that's true. But I just want to say that employees sometimes install apps that are not approved. Yeah? And with Wolfeye Remote Screen, you can see exactly what software is running in real time. In this video, I will show you how to detect unauthorized programs quickly and keep your system secure. Let's open the dashboard. Hi, I'm Angel from Wolfeye.de. And those of you that have been watching the past videos, they know Wolfeye Remote Screen is a computer monitoring software that you install it on each of your company's computer. For example, you have a team of 20 computers, you install it on each of the company's computer, Windows computers, and then you will be able to see the live screen on a dashboard remotely. A dashboard like this. This is the dashboard. This is the demo dashboard. You log in with the password. Of course, when you install it, the password will not be displayed. This is here displayed because you could also try it on your smartphone or on your any remote computer. You enter the password and log into the dashboard. The dashboard, you see the live computer screens here in a demo mode, so this is only pictures of each of the computers that Wolfeye Remote Screen has been installed. And the live screen means you see the computer where Wolfeye is installed makes the screenshots and uploads it to the server every 2 seconds. But the old screenshot is replaced by the new screenshot, so nothing will be saved on the server. So it is basically like a stream. It is basically, you see the live screen, screenshot every 2 to 3 seconds, the live screen updates. It's a screen updated every 3 seconds, so to speak. For each of the computer, you always see it for each of the computer that you have installed Wolfeye, okay? You could here change the columns so you see bigger screens, or change it to 3 columns so you see more screens. And this will allow you to have an overview about all the things that have been done, not only which apps are being used, um, but also if any unauthorized app is being installed, or any dangerous app, or any dangerous file type, or any dangerous website. So this will allow you to have an overview so that basically this is an early warning system for insider threat. It provides some kind of early insider threat protection functionality. This feature that you can see the live computer screens for each of the computers in your company, for each of the computers. So and the next thing that you can see is, for example, of course, you could monitor one specific computer by right mouse clicking where you see live. For this computer, for example, right mouse, open new tab. You see this computer in big. Yeah? But also, you have a screenshot history. So you right mouse click on history, and from this computer, it opens the screenshot history. Every 1 minute, a screenshot is made and saved to the server, or every 5 minutes or every 10 minutes. This feature has to be enabled by you. It is not a standard enabled. So only if you want it, then a screenshot is saved to the server every 5 minutes or every whatever. Okay, so this will allow you to be able to monitor if something dangerous has been done on your business computers, on your employees' computers, because one of the biggest risks is the employees by itself. Yeah. So that's why I tell you, please come to our website, which is wolfeye.de. Wolfeye.de. By the way, we also have the website wolfeye.co. This is also us. It is for international purposes. And we also have the DE was the first website because we are headquartered in Germany, Frankfurt, Germany. Wolfeye.de and hit the start free trial. Hit start a free trial, and here you can book a Google Meet demo session. It's a demo session with Google Meet. Google Meet then allows one of us to share the screen. And in this demo session, I will demonstrate to you how to set up, how to install the software. I will give you access to my dashboard. So you see my screen live over the internet, yeah, so to speak. And you know, if you like, of course, you will like it. And the next step would be I can guide you through the installation process for one computer or for two computers in your company, so to speak. Yeah? And if I guide you, you will be able to quickly set up the software by yourself for the remaining computers. Yeah? And then you get access to your dashboard, like here, in this case, 9 computers have been installed with Wolfeye Remote Screen, and you can test it for some weeks. Yeah. So that's it. And this demo will only take a few moments, so to speak, maybe 15 minutes, although here 15 minutes or something. And basically how the installation only takes like 1 minute, because I will give you the download link. Yeah? And this is the software that you will download, this Wolfeye setup executable. You execute it. Yeah? Then the setup window appears, you hit install, it is installed, and then you hit finish to launch Wolfeye Remote Screen. Yeah? It launches, and here you have to set it up by clicking 2 buttons. The first button is the share screen button, you hit it, and the screen sharing is enabled. And the second button is the stealth mode button. You hit it, and it goes into stealth mode and hides itself and will be restarted every time the Windows system is rebooted, so to speak. Yeah. So that's it basically. And it is, by the way, Wolfeye installs itself into C, users, public documents, and creates a W folder here. Yeah. So this is the Wolfeye folder, and here you can stop the application by double clicking on the kernel. Yeah, that's the application kernel. That's it. So please come to our website, and I will be very happy to make a demo session for you. See you in the next video.